got company what I did. You two cuckooing. Anyway, Folkestone Harbour, everyone. Yes, my voice has gone croaky again. So I need a drink. Cup of coffee would be nice. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Have a brilliant Sunday. There's a patch of blue up there, look. Other than that, it's just a pewter grey sky. I don't normally say grey, I say metallic or pewter. It just gets dull and boring when you say grey and all the time. What's wrong with the colours? Look at this one. Gorgeous. Anyway, Folkestone Harbour with the pigeons and the gulls. Anyway, have a brilliant Sunday. Up by the viewing platform here. It's a bit slippery at the moment. Up high. Look. Very high. And that way. Anyway, out of here for now. I'll upload this later because I've got no battery life left. Have a brilliant Sunday. See you.